What's up, guys? Hey, Anthony here at inGear. We have again with us the G-Force T41 Folding bike, which is still one of my top 5 favorite bikes to date. It's so much fun, but we haven't done a speed test yet, so we're going to knock it out. We have the speedometer mounted here, plus the one that's mounted on the left side. So we're gonna get a good idea, a window into exactly how fast it is. So here we go. All right, 0, here we go. All right, so first I'm gonna do just throttle only. See how fast it goes. Oh yeah. This is such a fun bike. This bike is so comfy. It definitely gets the best seat award, hands down, on any bike we've tried so far. 22 miles an hour, easy, gets up to speed quick. It's not going further. Kind of taps out at 22, but that's all you need. Woo! Let's try it again, see how we can do. Throttle only. This one is at a slight uphill grade. Very slight, and we're still doing 20. Nice. All right, now I'm gonna do pedal assist, see how fast we can get it going. All right, pedal along with it, and a normal pedal. That's awesome. All right, so we raced maybe against the Scion, definitely lost. Should have had NOS.
I need NOS.
All right, guys, there you have it. So this is the G-Force T41. It's a 350 watt motor, and we got up to 26 miles per hour, which honestly is really fast for a 350 watt motor. Tons of fun. Still my top seat favorite. For sure, 100% the comfiest seat. Folding bike, 26 miles an hour, love it. When we were just using throttle only, we got up to 20 and 22, which is plenty fast enough for a folding bike. So there you have it, there's a speed test. If you're interested in getting one of these bikes, click the link below, helps us out. Stay tuned for the next video. See ya.